This is unit number 152. This is the 18-inch full lace kinky straight unit. This unit has an amazing hairline, amazing texture. So if you want a unit that has texture similar to what mine looks like after I blow dry it and just kind of let it air dry, get our beautiful kinky straight unit. We'll do an update video showing you what this texture looks like after you blow dry it and flat iron it out. It's full lace, so you can definitely part it however you want and give you a really, really natural style where you can have a lot of style and versatility. This is our beautiful kinky straight texture, and look how soft it is. I'm rubbing my fingers all the way through it. My fingers aren't getting caught, neither is my ring. Our kinky straight texture is amazing. Shop with us if you want amazing quality hair, amazing customer service. If you want a quality unit, shop with Magic Hair Company, where we also do custom coloring here in store as well as installations.